Hi, this is John with J2O Services. We're going to replace two outside condensers, complete systems. Customer says that when heavy rain here, it starts to fill up with water, so we're going to put some pads underneath there. We'll show you what it looks like when we're done. This is the before. We'll raise it up a little higher. He says it's barely getting to the bottom, so we're going to raise that up. Let me take you into the attic. Got two new big systems coming in, brand new drain pans. Got the furnaces over there in the other truck. Putting some brand new thermostats on there for them. Nice digital ones. Some safety switches. Beautiful big house. Put some more tarps down with a rubber backing so that it doesn't slip. Two older systems here, 4 and a 5 ton. Evaporator leaks, blown motor, real bad rusted drain pan. He's gonna get everything brand new, a 10-year part warranty, save some money on electricity. We'll get back to you once we're done.